Hi, my name is Kristin. I teach second grade at Jenny Dean Elementary in Manassas, Virginia. I have 21 students and a great TA that I work with. This school has been really welcoming to me and supportive of the things that we're doing in my classroom, which are obviously a little bit different than the rest of the second grade classrooms. One of the fun things that we did this year was all of the second grade teachers and a few of, I think, our librarian and maybe our music teacher, I can't remember who else, but we all dressed up as famous Americans that my students will be studying. And I was Abraham Lincoln, and the school was able to set it up so that they had a Zoom set up so that I could participate in this also in the auditorium, which was really fun. We had a great time doing it, and I was really happy that they included me. It made me feel really part of the team. I use OBS when I'm teaching, and so I'm able to switch my screen to different things on my computer. I can show them different images. I can put different things on my screen. A lot of times if my students have a birthday or something, and they'll bring cookies, and so I'll pop a cookie up on my screen, and they really like that. They think it's really funny. I also use it when I'm instructing. I am able to move myself around the screen to point at different things, and it's a really fun program, and I think it really helps with the way our classroom is set up. I think the best thing about being a teacher is watching my students succeed. I like to see their growth, and I like to see, I can see their progress. Even if it's just a little bit, I think that any teacher's goal should be success for their students, no matter how big or small it is.